this tutorial I will show you step by step what you have to do and how you have to do it to receive from $10 to $15 for each person. Everything I will show you in this tutorial is absolutely free and works worldwide. So if you want to earn $100 to $200 online per day, watch this video until the end because it's for you. My name is Shadowtropy and let's go to the first step of this tutorial. For this step we will access ChatGPT and give it the following condition. Make our list of 20-30 different book niches. I noticed that it gave me a lot of such niches. Now to go further we have to choose one of all these niches. I will choose this one for today's tutorial. Now I will give it another condition for ChatGPT. Give me the top 10 best books and put the niche you chose. For me it is this. Now I notice that ChatGPT gives me these books which are most popular in this niche. Now you have to choose only one book from these. I will choose this Atomic Habits because it is quite popular at the moment. I also advise you to choose a book that is popular. Next I will show you how with any book in any niche to make money online absolutely free. Friends, now don't think that you will have to sell any book or anything like that. So leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. We go to step number 2. In this step, we will have to make a summary of this book. We can also do this on the GBT chat, but I want you to show me an AI tool that can do this much better. The name of this tool is SEO Writing AI. To do that summary, we have to click here, and this page will open for us. In the first box, we will write like this, the summary of this book. We return to ChatGPT and copy the book we chose and also with its author, and we put it here. After that, click on Generate a Title. We go down further and find this box where we have to click on Keywords. After this, we click on Run. Now our summary is created. This does not take very long. It's ready. Now let's see what we got and how it looks. In my opinion, this tool did very well with the condition I gave it and gave me a good summary of the book I chose. Step number 3. We go for Canva because this is a graphic design tool where we can create promotional designs like a beginner. In the search box, we have to write the word book. Now we have to choose a template from these. Like for example, I will choose this one. Now I have to edit this template. The first thing I will do is the most important. I will go to Google and look for the book I chose, Atomic Habits. I will go to Images and download an image of this book. I'm going to go back on Canva to my template and change this book cover that's here to my book cover. Now I will change this above writing and write like this. Free book. Now think, who wouldn't want a free book that is also popular? Now that you have finished editing the template, you are the same as me. You need to download this by clicking share button, click download as PNG, and it will be downloaded in your device. Let's move on to step number 4. In this step, I'll show you how we're going to make money with all these things we've done before. There is a platform called Audible where you can listen to different audiobooks. And if in the search box we write the name of the books we chose, Atomic Habits, or any other book, we notice that anyone can opt this book and listen to it. But if you give them an affiliate link for Audible, they can opt this book for free. So we go to Google and search for Audible Creator Program. And here below you can see that Audible Affiliate Program pays $5 when someone signs up through your affiliate link on their Audible site, which this is absolutely free, and when they sign up they also get a free book. And in this case we will promote the book that I have chosen for myself, which is Atomic Habits. So people get that absolutely free book as I promised them. To sign up on this site you have to click on Become an Affiliate. And as I said, this book is free. When someone clicks on your link, a page will appear. Click continue for free and they will register. You will receive $5 and they will receive the book. But if that person wants to buy the physical book and order it at his home, you will receive another $10 to receive your affiliate link. On the page where the book is up there in the corner it is written, text. Click here and it's your own affiliate link to this book. Step number 5. In this step I will show you how to make so that thousands of people see the summary with the selected book that I made with that AI tool. And to click on your affiliate link, and for you to receive money. To begin with, we will access the Vocal website. On this site there are a lot of people from all over the world who read different stories, articles and many others every day. We are on this site and we will put our summary with the selected book. For this we have to request an account on this site. For this we click on Become a Creator. Here you have to put the name, email and create a password, or you can sign in with Google. Now to post an article or a story or something else we click on Create. Now we have to put the title. We go back to the site, SEO Writing AI, and we copy the title. We go back to the Vocal and place it here. Now copy all the text from here, we go back to the file and put it here below. Now the most important thing we need to do on this article is to put that image we made on Canva and our affiliate link from the selected book. To put an image here you have to click on a place where it's empty, and this plus will appear. You'll click on it and 3 options will appear, including adding images. You'll click and select the image you made on Canva. Now let's put the link below to this image, and we will write like this. Click here to get the book Atomic Habits free from Amazon. We will enter this text and click on the link, and here we will put the link from Amazon. Now anyone who clicks on this writing will be sent to that book. Now we have 2 traffic paths to our link on this site. And from Google, because when people search for this book on Google they will find our summary that was on the voice site. But we don't stop here and make another way of traffic which is also free. For this we go to Facebook, and here we have to find different groups that are interesting for reading. or different groups that are on the topic of discipline, motivation and everything like that, because this book is read by these types of people, which is a very good thing. For example, this group that there are many people on it. We will join this group and here we will make a post with only the image on the canvas and the link, and I post it. Now let's do some simple math. If 50 people see your ad or article, you will get $250. Because every person who sees it is free and sees it is from Amazon, surely they will be interested and want that book. But if 100 people see, you will get $500. I would say that this method is the best of all methods of making money with an affiliate program. What do you think? Is this correct? I await your results with this method here in the comments. But if questions arise or something is not received in the same way, write in the comments. I answer everyone and help everyone. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to support me now in the beginning. With you is Shadow Tropy, and see you next Sunday.